So we definitely have to do some kind of recipe like this in the summer, guys. Alright? And I always say this is when Chef Ricardo come in and fill the gap, by doing some healthy recipe like this in the summer. 100%. These are some really good original summer recipe. Chef, big up yourself, man. You always a support Chef Ricardo. Respect, what if I love, my brother? What if I love? What if I love? You always a support me, and I really appreciate that. Alright, Chef? Yeah, I'm gonna simply show you how you can do this on an amazing recipe at home in the kitchen. Say if you're at home and you feel like, you want to do something, this coming really, really handy for you guys. 100%. Trust me. It's just a recipe where I say I want to share it on my food news channel. Yeah, food news channel. We definitely want to share this one on the food news. Alright, yeah. Food News TV. We definitely want to share this one. Alright. So, yeah. Don't go anywhere. I want you guys to just stick by and watch this video because it's a beautiful recipe. Nicole, thank you so much for coming on the show. Really appreciate it. Just gonna simply give you this an amazing recipe right now. All of the people who come in and support Chef Ricardo, thank you so much for your time. Really appreciate it. Alright? Beautiful one. I just did a recipe on my other YouTube channel. We was talking about this an amazing recipe and decided to just click over to the food news and do all that a little bit of live on the food news. Alright? Yeah, man. So if you're there and you watch, don't go anywhere. Please stay right there and watch this on an amazing video today from Chef Ricardo. Alright? Yeah. Thank you so much for coming on the show and we really appreciate it. Alright, guys? Yeah, 100%. Really appreciate it. Yeah. So basically, we got 5 person watching so far. I want to start the show. So if it's the first time you're coming on the show, thank you so much for watching Chef Ricardo show. I'm just gonna simply dig into it and show you exactly what you need to do to make this an amazing drink. Alright? So basically right here I have a empty blender which I'm gonna be using. You can see exactly what's going on there for yourself. It's all empty, nothing inside of it. Alright, so basically we have one empty blender where we have right there. I got some fresh mint. I'm going to put the fresh mint inside of it. I'm going to be using some Jamaican ginger. Alright, this is from Jamaica. Alright guys, fresh nice ginger. And this is what I'm going to be using. Alright, yeah, so let's put some ginger inside of it. I'm going to put a nice lovely chunk of piece of a ginger. Because you can know the Jamaican ginger, that it's very strong, and you can see right there. Yeah, it's beautiful though, and amazing. Jamaican ginger is one of the best in the world. Trust me, guys. If you doesn't know, very, very good ginger. We're gonna put a little bit of spinach inside of it, and also we got a celery. We're gonna put some celery stick inside of it. So that's just one celery stick we've been using inside of it, alright? Beautiful one. We're gonna get some lemon and use inside of it, alright? Guys, good to use some lemon into this one, alright? Beautiful and nice. Secondly, we're gonna put some cucumber inside of it. Alright, it's beautiful. Honestly, you guys definitely can make this one at home. Gonna put a little bit of a liquid inside of it. Not too much liquid because I don't want it too runny. Alright. Just wanna kind of blend it. And that's exactly what we're talking about. So let's blend this and make a little bit of a noise. But at the end of the day, the noise will work it. So we just wanna blend this down a little bit. Guys, a small blender, alright? Now, so we blend it down a little bit. We're gonna put some more cucumber inside of it. Alright, that's the cucumber. We're gonna pop a little bit of an apple cider vinegar inside of it. Oh, sorry, that's a little bit too much. Just a tiny bit you wanna put inside of it. But that's eye measurement, alright? Where it is. Put a little bit of my, oh yeah, fine, cinnamon powder inside of it. And cinnamon is very good. That's the secret. Alright, if you're having organic honey, you can put a little bit of organic honey inside of it, because not everyone can handle the apple cider vinegar. Alright, beautiful one. Now what we're gonna do, we're gonna blend this now. Lovely. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna strain it, alright? Fantastic and amazing. So that's what you wanna do. You wanna strain it. Run it through that strainer, guys. And get that beautiful texture from it. Alright, fantastic and amazing. Look at that. Lovely and also delicious. Alright? Yeah. And not only that, guys, I know you guys definitely will love this drink because it's something totally different in the kitchen with Chef Ricardo. And I always try my best to give you some beautiful, lovely recipe. Alright? So, I know you guys 100% will love that an amazing recipe. Very good for drinking for weight loss. And also very good for detoxing of the body. As you can see it for yourself. Yeah. Detoxing of the body is very important, guys. And green juice in the summer is very good. Alright, because we have a lot of juice and a lot of recipe which you need to release for you guys to make this summer. Alright, so you want to just make sure you get rid of that liquid, alright? Get rid of it out. Strain it out. I mean, they can put them in some strainer bag. I think them got some beautiful strainer bag, but the strainer bag them is very hard to wash after, so it's better for you to just use a strainer. Nice one. Look at that, beautiful. All right, now this one, you just want to take a little bit of the fiber. Just a little bit more of the fiber and just put it inside of it and give it a lovely mix. Nice one. And this is a perfect drink for you to have in the morning before anything. All right, so basically we have the ginger, we have so many things inside of it, but to be honest with you, it's just a perfect drink which you want to have. So what I'm going to do now is just run this through another little sieve right here, and then we catch some of that stuff which you don't want too much inside of it. All right, yeah, look at that, it's beautiful. All right, that's exactly what Chef Ricardo been talking about, guys. Exactly. So basically, as you can see, look at that. Beautiful. If you like the recipe, as I said, please subscribe to the YouTube channel. Leave your comments in the description box. Please tell a friend and a friend tell a friend. It is a simple little juice recipe here. See the cucumber also, we got some celery. And this is just perfect for you guys to make at home for weight loss and also detoxing of the body. Alright, so basically it is a simple recipe, but sometimes you're at home, you can just use a blender and just blend something when you're at home. And I tell you, you will see the difference in yourself when you drink these natural juice. Not only that, the green juice is also very healthy And you know what I mean? Yeah, it's one of the best in the world. 100% guys. One of the best in the world for you to drink at home. Alright? So if you like the recipe, please leave your comments in the description box. And also please tell a friend and a friend tell a friend. Healthy green juice recipe from Chef Ricardo. Try my best to give you some of the most beautiful recipe in the world. And that's where Chef Ricardo come and fill the gap. Alright? If you like it, yeah, subscribe and click in the notification bell. And don't forget, subscribe is very, very important. Alright? Now, as you can see, that was part 1. Because I normally give you guys like 2 of my secret recipe them every time when I'm doing my juice or any kind of a recipe. I try to share more than 1 recipe with you. Alright? So tomorrow morning, if you want something for breakfast, I'm going to show you another recipe what you can make for breakfast. Alright? It's going to be a simple one, but it's a breakfast smoothie recipe, which I want to encourage you. You guys definitely can try that one at home. Alright? Fantastic and an amazing one. So this one going to be a slightly different one from before. Alright? I give you some recipe like this before. So basically, you need to have spinach inside of the blender, because spinach is very good for you. Alright? Put some spinach in the blender like this. Alright? And if you have ripe banana, you get a finger of ripe banana, break it up and put it straight inside of the blender like this. Alright, this is for breakfast in the morning. You know, a lot of people when they're on a rush, they need to do something. You know what I mean? So basically, this is just perfect ideas for you to do at home. Get some oats. I'm going to pour it from the bag because it's just showing you exactly. This is eye measurement. Get some oats and put it straight inside of it like that. Alright guys, it's a beautiful recipe and I would encourage you to try this at home. Put yourself some little bit of cinnamon powder inside of it. Cinnamon powder is very good for you. Alright, it's a quick recipe I'm giving you. A little bit of a mixed spice inside of it. Alright, it's a beautiful one. And also a little bit of the Jamaican nutmeg egg right here. Alright, beautiful. Little bit of ginger powder. Alright, and also some vanilla. If you got vanilla, you can put a teaspoon of vanilla inside of it. Alright, it's a fabulous recipe and definitely you guys will love this for breakfast in the morning. Honey, you can put some organic honey. If you got some organic honey, you can use that one. Alright, then secondly, if you got some almond milk, you just put some almond milk inside of it. Just like this. Don't put too much though, because you don't want it to, you know. Yeah. But it's a beautiful recipe. 100% you guys will definitely love this one. I always give you a recipe, guys. All different kind of recipe. So now we're going to blend this one quickly, because time is running. Beautiful one, guys. Fantastic and an amazing. Look at this recipe right now, which I just share with you. And listen to me now, guys. This is not like a joke thing. This is a very serious thing, because when I give you a recipe, you must try it. And if you're doing a YouTube channel, share it with someone and make someone else can make it. Look at this. Alright? That's exactly what I'm talking about. That is only oats and spinach with all of those spice mixes and all this of the honey and little bit of vanilla. Look at this. That is amazing, fantastic, and I would encourage you guys to give it a try, give it a go, make the video, share it with someone, and put it on your YouTube channel. That's the way how we're learning at the moment. All right, it's a beautiful recipe, and I will encourage you guys to give this a try at home. And that's the way it look when you make it. All right, it's just so simple, but it is delicious, and it's also very healthy and also full of flavor and texture to it. We love you all. Thank you so much for watching Chef Ricardo Food News channel, and we always try our best to give you some beautiful recipe like this one. And to be honest with you, we have a lot more will be coming. All right, so please tell a friend, and a friend tell a friend, and remember, subscribe is very important, and clicking the notification bell is also very important. All right, guys. Yeah, beautiful recipe. All right, let me see what I want. Jamaica recipe queen is in the house. Natural Jamaican vegan is in the house also. Thank you so much for coming on the show. I really appreciate it 100%. All right. But as I said, it's a beautiful recipe, fantastic. And I will encourage you guys to give this one a try at home because the recipe is just delicious. All right. You don't have to use honey inside of it, like if you know what I mean, like on the vegan. You don't have to put honey inside of it. You can put sweetener, and that will bring in a lovely flavor. All right. Yeah, man. But thank you so much, guys, for coming on the show. Really appreciate it. Natural Jamaican vegan. Don't worry yourself. Jamaican recipe queen, and also we got just got from work. All right. I saw you going on. I mean, everybody have to work. Jamaican recipe queen probably just a wake up. Nicole, thank you so much. I think there's a snow storm in Nicole country at the moment. So yeah, I don't know how true that was. But I think there's so much snow falling in Aruba at the moment. So yeah, bless you, Nicole. We know what's going on over there. Something different, you know what I mean? I happen over there at the moment. But yeah, I saw it go sometime. But anyway, guys, it's just like a very important recipe. It's coming up to summer, and you know what I mean. You have to make something delicious at home, and that's where Chef Ricardo come in and fill the gap. All right, it's a beautiful recipe. And to be honest with you, you can make it and share it with your family at home. Or even this one, you know what I mean, the recipe is just amazing. Alright, you put out some ice in this and drink it. You got a lot of ginger inside of it, and it just bring in a lovely flavor. Alright, so thank you so much for watching, and we definitely will be giving you some more recipe very soon. This one will be on Chef Ricardo main YouTube channel, will be coming up very soon. And you know what I mean, a lot more recipe. Alright, yeah. Alright, Jamaica recipe queen, thank you so much for coming on the show. We really appreciate it. Long time we don't see the Jamaican recipe queen. Alright, but yeah, very, very nice one, guys, for you to, you know what I mean, try at home. So here it is, beautiful and also delicious. On the food news with Chef Ricardo.